front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Adding emergency numbers is one of the first things I do while setting up my new device or for my family member or a friend. That's because it's one of the simplest but most important things to do. To do that, you don't need any apps, just go into Devices Settings and scroll to hit Safety and Emergency section, which in my experience is the same one for every new Samsung device. Now select Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact to click on the ones you wish to set up. Then hit Done at the bottom, and as you can see, mine were successfully added. But you need to remember that for this feature to work, this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen must be blue. That's because if it's blue, it means that your contacts are accessible from locked screen. If you want to remove any contact from your list, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Remove, tap on the chosen one you want to get rid of and confirm your choice by tapping on bin icon at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment